Welcome back, dear ladies and gentlemen. Yep, we are back in Germany. Canada has been about 2 weeks back. Very unfortunate, would have loved to stay much longer, ride much more trails. But everything good has to come to an end. And this is why we're back in Germany. We are at the top of a trail that I believe is called Chainsaw. So I believe this is Chainsaw. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments down below. And now we'll be rocking Chainsaw. Okay, a sec. Why do I keep forgetting my goggles? Yeah. Much better. Yeah. Wow. Maybe I gotta do these two, man. They look smooth. Just pushed up for both of the gaps. Looked at that top one. Should be fine. It's kind of a skinny jump, but I don't really see a big issue. Well, I kind of cased the second one a bit. Oh, that's a nice one too. Alright, let's keep going. Why would you have a trail split up multiple times? Oh snap. Oh snap. Holy shit. I want to check out what the outrun is on this one, because I'd love to ride it. Oh yeah, man. That shit's fucking steep. Yeah. Oh yeah. Amazing trail building skills.